Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile with you again today. Got another unboxing for you, and this is actually a Christmas present for someone. So I'm not going to say who, just in case they watch this video. I don't think they would, but I'm not going to say who at this time. And no, I do not wear this shirt every day. It is one of my favorite shirts, but I'm actually filming several unboxings in a row here. So, and this is a bunch of paper. Oh, it's inside another box. All right. Well, this is the Audio-Technica LP60X turntable in brown. Get that out of the way. We will get this off here. Nope. Got to do a little extra tearing. There we go. So, I'm curious to see how this turntable will compare to my Fluence, which cost about twice as much as this turntable here. So, here it is in the box. I think I felt a good place. Yep. Good place to open it up from right here. Oh, I see. Oh, I really like it when they do this. Okay, see if we can do this together. Here is your very thin manual. I guess we got some equipment on the sides here I better look at, some accessories. I'm not going to open this. ASMR unboxing. But this is just an inexpensive audio cable, RCA cable. Normally, okay, another accessory box in there. All right, we'll take this out. Now I know this one, it comes fairly assembled, so there should be a whole lot in here, but I'm sure there are a few things. It definitely is more assembled than my Fluence was, so I think this is going to be like your cartridge. Oh, this is going to be decent little power brick there. Nothing too fancy-fied. All right, so I'm trying to keep this together too because it is going to be a gift, although I do plan to set it up in my system and spend some time with it and do a review of it. Alrighty. I'm just trying not to trying not to tear this up too much and break any accessories or anything like that. I'll put that down there just for now. This is packaged pretty well, I must say. And it is easier to take apart than my Fluence turntable was. Oops. All right. Just foam. Just foam. Just making sure. Okie doke. I believe this is, yep, this is a felt platter. Not going to take that off quite yet. This is, I don't think we need this for Christmas gift purposes. Here's a metal platter. Actually, it reminds me quite a bit of the one that came with my Fluence. Seems very similar. There it is. There's a belt already installed down there. I'm pretty sure I'll have to put it onto a peg. It actually might be heavier than the one that came with my Fluence. I don't know if that's good or bad. I think actually lighter is better. But hey, it feels of high quality. Can't go wrong there. Let's see. Get you back in here. Trying to do my best to put this back together correctly. All right. Turntable. Man, this thing's pretty small and light, gotta say. Just right out the bat here, I'm not real impressed with the weight of it, and one of my hinges is off here. Hold on just a minute. I might have to work on that later. Come on now. Come on now. All right, this one's fairly assembled already. Yeah, fairly flimsy record platter there. Definitely a very plastic affair. Not sure what that button is, but it's there. Now this does have a built-in preamp, which is nice, as well as I think it has some automatic features in it there. So there's the back side of it. Curious as to where the RCAs are. Maybe they are 3.5 millimeter, but here's the bottom. Hear that? Yeah. I don't know about that. I don't know what we will think of that. Okay, so I got to install the belt, and looks like the tone arm is good to go here. It's a very plasticky, lightweight deck. Now I know this is not the most expensive turntable, nor is it the highest fidelity. So I am going to work on setting this up, and I will probably make a follow-up video, maybe a review. Likely it'll be after Christmas when I do that. But this is the Fluence LP60X turntable in brown. It's got a little brown coloration right there. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Also check out my Patreon and buy me a cup of coffee. And remember, frugal doesn't necessarily mean cheap. But this one is definitely cheap.